told by one of my schoolmasters that I obviously didn't know what he was talking about.
Is facing a big legal action from shop workers who claim they're not paid.
That's the addict.
Discriminate. The World Health Organization says it's to send extra staff.
Charge of any country, totaling 1.7 billion. Didn't learn. Others, including France and Germany, are due to receive rebates. From Brussels, here's our political correspondent, Ben Wright.
The Chancellor, George Osborne, said the European Commission's demand for £1.7 billion was completely unacceptable, and he was
themselves inside a white dome with no fresh food or internet access to see how humans would survive on Mars.